more than farming. Okay guys, so here we have Opie and Luna. They love wrestling and chasing each other around yet. So the gray one is Luna, and the orange one is Opie. Time to feed the cats. So we've had the cats for about 2.5 months now, and we've been feeding them 46 ounces of food every day, twice a day. And it seems that Opie always eats out of the wrong side of the dish, and it gets to be kind of funny sometimes. He also likes to be very vocal. Both cats also seem to be very interested in climbing trees and like to scratch on them with their claws. Okay guys, so the dog on the left is a black lab. His name is Tar, and he's about 5 years old. The dog on the right, her name is Honey. She's about 12 years old, and she's a golden lab. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to let me know down in the comments below if you enjoyed. Here's the video that YouTube recommends, here's my most recent, and subscribe. Bye guys.